Chapter number 4, Keyboard. Now, in this chapter, we had learned about the different keys which are available on keyboard. This is the picture of the keyboard. You have seen a keyboard and may be available at your home on your home desktop. So, the keyboard consists of number keys from 1 to 9 and 0 and a number pad on this side. Backspace key which is helps to delete the text. Delete key also helps to delete the text. Alphabet key, these keys are used to type alphabets. Space bar key is used to provide space between two successive text or alphabets. Enter key is used to shift the cursor to the next line, and arrow keys are used to navigate to move on the computer screen or the page. So, as I have told you that the alphabet keys, these alphabet keys are used to type letters. Number keys are used to type numbers. Spacebar button or spacebar key is used to give blank spaces between words. Like you have seen, use and the के बीच में there is a white space, blank white space. This white space is being given by using your space bar. I have written the word hello. Now I want to give space, like I will press. So you can see the white space which I have left here is by using the space bar. Then we have enter key. We use enter key to move the cursor to the next line, like here. The cursor is here. If I'll press enter, the cursor will move to the next line. Again next line. So when to move cursor to the next line, we use enter key, and arrow key are being used to move the cursor to the respective direction. Like to move the cursor up, move the cursor left, right and down. Backspace and delete key, they are being used to delete the characters or delete the words. Okay. Backspace key, I would like to elaborate here the difference between backspace and delete key. So I'm just making its font little bit bigger, not 48, let it make to 72. So as you can see, right now I'm using backspace. So when I'll use backspace key, S will get deleted, means backspace deletes the character towards left. So as you can see, I pressed backspace, S got deleted. Again I will press backspace, T will get deleted. If I press backspace, N will get deleted. Okay, so this is by using backspace key, the deletion will go towards left as I am showing right now. Okay, but if I am using delete key, let's say I am using delete key will start deleting the word towards right. So you can see that this time if I use delete key, D will not delete it, it will be E which get deleted. Look, now it will be N because delete key deletes towards right direction. So as you can see, delete key towards right direction, wherever backspace key deletes towards left direction. I hope I am clear with the point. Then we have caps lock key. These keys help us to type the characters in capital letter. I have pressed the caps lock key, and now what am I writing, as you can see, is in capital form. Okay, then we will have a tux typing software or a program which help us to type certain contents, or you can say provides practice for typing. I would request that in your free time, kindly type one or two paragraph from any of your studying book. This will help us to make your typing good. Here I would be giving you one diagram for coloring purpose also, so that you can understood the different keys available on the keyboard, and you can count them and you can write them. Okay. Now let's move on to our next chapter. And the next chapter is mouse. As we have discussed about keyboard, now we will be discussing about the next input device or the pointing device, which is known as mouse. Mouse consists of two buttons and a scroll wheel. Now the two buttons are, one is your left button and another is your right button. Mouse pointer is the arrow which moves on the screen. As you can see right now, an arrow is moving on your screen, and this arrow is known as your mouse pointer. Mouse is being kept on a mouse pad for its free movement, uninterrupted movement, which can be seen on the screen. We can hold the mouse either in our left hand or in our right hand also. Okay, so it depends on you are left hander or a right hander in which you can keep the mouse. Now the first mouse which was made, it was made up of wood and two metal wheels, as you can see on the computer screen. This is how you hold a mouse, in which the thumb is on the side, the little finger is on the side, wherever the index finger is on your left mouse button, the middle finger is on the right mouse button, and the ring finger will be accompanied at the side. So this is how you hold a mouse. That is, again, the index finger on the left button, the middle finger on the right button, and the other fingers are supporting to grab or hold the mouse. Now, what do you mean by left click? When you press the left button of the mouse once, the click or single time pressing the left button of the mouse is known as left click. It is also known as click. Okay, so pressing only one time the left button of the mouse is known as click. Wherever if you double press, if you press twicely, okay, if you press the left button twice quickly, then it is known as double click. Click click is your double click, click is your single left click. If you are pressing the left mouse button twice quickly and release it, it is known as your double click. I hope the chapters or the contents which we had discussed till now is clear to you. In case of any doubts, you can ask us or you can put up the contents on the WhatsApp group We will revert you soon.